So I want to show you an AI app that you can use to convert text to images. Okay, once you paste your prompt, it's going to generate your prompt, okay, to either an art or an image depending on what you want. Okay, so the app is called Imagine. It's on Play Store, and I think it should be on Apple Store. Okay, so you just go over to your Play Store or your Apple Store and then download Imagine. I have already downloaded it and I will open. Okay, okay, beautiful. So this is how the app looks like. Here you enter your prompt and you click generate. But before you do that, you can select your style or model. They call it style. Some AI apps or website call it model. Now, what does this mean? When you tap view more, it shows you how your prompt will come out. Any of these that you select will be the way your image will be generated. Okay, so if you select Imagine version 3, it's going to come out like a robot. If you select Cosmic, it's going to come out like this. So when you type your prompt, you select the style. Aspect ratio has to do with dimension or how the size of the image. Okay, so you select the aspect ratio, then you can check out advanced settings and whatever you want to do or anything you want to exclude or you don't want such thing to be included while the AI is generating your prompt, you state it here. Okay, so you select the resolution, you can scale it. Okay, so then here are inspirations. They are giving you example of prompts that you can try while you master the app. Okay, so we have Toolbox. When you come to Toolbox, you have image remix. This image remix, you can upload your photo and use prompt to make dynamic changes to your image. Okay, so we have in painting. Here it says generate artworks by masking part of images and fill it with the help of prompt. Okay, for example, you can post an image or upload an image that has two persons. Okay, then you mask one particular person and give a prompt, maybe to turn the face of that person into a robot, something like that. Then we have badge upscale. Here it says upscale multiple art images up to 4 times with no time. Okay, so this has to do with generating more of that image, different styles at the same time. Okay, so you can upscale your image 4 times. All right, so this is the app you can use. If you cannot access websites, you can use this app, and this app will as well serve you to a large extent. And you need to understand that if you use the same prompt on 5 different AI websites or apps, they will not give you the same result. Okay, so far this app is cool and I have used it to generate some images. So let's generate image from text using this AI text to image generator. Okay, this app is beautiful. So here you have to enter your prompt. So let me type Elon Musk. Elon Musk dressed like a ninja with a sword. Okay, so you have to select the model you want. So we have different styles. Okay, this has to do with how you want the image to appear. Okay, so I will select realistic. Now click generate. So let's wait for it to generate. Okay, you can see. Wow, you can click generate more. Let's see what happens. Okay, you can as well click generate more. Wow, so you can keep generating more until you find the one that you like. Okay, all right. These pictures are like Elon Musk dressed like a ninja. This one is he's with a ninja. Okay, so you can generate more and more. Wow, can you see this? So you can as well edit the input if you want. Okay, so this is how this app works. This is an AI text to image generating app. All right, so you can use it to turn your imaginations into photos, images, or arts. Okay, all you need to do is to describe what you want, select the style or the model you want it to appear as. Okay, then select aspect ratio. You can check out advanced settings if you want, and you now click on generate.